What's good, it's the Hunter Hoffman, and this is BMW's active sound design. So when you activate sport mode, fake engine noise is pumped through the speakers. As I prefer to have only genuine engine noise, I'm going to delete BMW's active sound design. I'll be doing this by installing a harness made by Technic PnP, which disables BMW's active sound design. First off, we'll be removing the 7 clips that hold together the liner and the back panel of the trunk. Then we remove the back panel of the trunk, remove the floor of the trunk, and pop the plastic cover of the floor loop. This reveals a size 40 Torx bolt underneath. Remove the Torx bolt before completely removing the liner of the trunk. Unplug the connectors on the back of the liner of the trunk before completely removing the liner, allowing access to the active sound design module. Next up, press the small gray tab and slide the black locking lever towards the top of the active sound design module, freeing up the active sound design main cable. Then grab the Technic PnP harness and install on the module before locking in the black levers again. There we go. Snug the harness in between the active sound design module and the stereo module to give it a tight fit and to prevent any rattles. Tidy it all back together, and that's a job well done. The results are really nice. The background drone is gone on the highway, and flipping into sport mode doesn't produce any fake engine noise through the speakers anymore. Thanks for watching.